Quick video lang, no? And we have some breaking news. According to sources, si Calvin Abueva will be traded to Converge. So, yun po yung balitang nakarating. Yun nga, no? As mentioned, Calvin Abueva will be sent to Converge. Ayan, kapalit naman ng kay Abueva will be Ray Suerte, King Caralipio, and Mark Denver Omega. That's again according to a source. And yung trade papers na yan ay finorward na sa PBA Commissioner's Office. So yan, no, yan ang latest na ating nakalap. At Converge will be getting Calvin Abueva in a trade. So yan po yung mga players na involved sa trade. And again, this is still awaiting approval from the PBA Commissioner's Office. So once approved, Calvin Abueva will now become a Converge Fiber Xer. So again, if this becomes official, no, Calvin Abueva will be reunited with Dennis Delta Pineda, na alam naman natin lahat na si Vice Gov Delta Pineda yung tumulong kay Calvin Abueva. Siya po yung nakadiscover sa kanya, and eventually tong si Calvin Abueva was able to play under Delta Pineda sa San Sebastian during their days sa NCAA, and now they are reunited naman sa PBA through Converge with this trade that is still awaiting approval from the PBA Commissioner's Office. And then Calvin Abueva is also coming from a landmark conference. No? Ganda nung pinakita niya nung 50th season Philippine Cup, where he was a candidate for a Best Player of the Conference award. He actually finished third behind Junmar Fajardo and Juan Gomez de Liano, na ngayon ay magiging teammate na niya once this trade becomes official. And looking at his numbers during the Philippine Cup 50th season, 23.6 points, 11.9 rebounds, 3.6 assists, and 1.8 steals, kasama na rin ng 1.2 blocks. Siguro his best conference since nung nanalo siya ng Best Player of the Conference nung 2021 when he was still playing for the Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots. So again, breaking news, Calvin Abueva, it looks like he will become a Converge Fiber Xer following a trade with Titan Ultra, na it's still being inaantay pa rin, no, yung approval from the PBA Commissioner's Office. So anong tingin nyo dito sa trade na ito? Sino yung nanalo? Okay ba kayo sa trade na to? Tingin nyo ba ma-approve or hindi? May kulang ba o sakto na to? Kung fair trade na to, comment down below kung ano masasabi ninyo sa trade na ito. So again, ulitin natin, no? Sources saying na si Calvin Abueva will be moving to Converge pending the approval of the PBA Commissioner's Office. Thank you for watching our video.